With the rapid development of smart city construction, the business that based on the Internet of Things are now becoming the key trend. However, the construction of smart city is a systemized project, calls for the management parties who are capable professional, strong and powerful to achieve the intelligent management and running of city to ensure the effective connection between all industries. Real Face Lighting is the expert of lighting solution, owns 20+ years experience on lighting manufacture, integrates the advantaged resources, cooperates with top tech team in the world, benefits the backup of full LED industrial chain from the headquarters, is specializing in packaged solutions of R&D, manufacture, project implementation, after-sales service and technology support to fulfill the smart city construction. Real Face Intelligent Street Light Pole is an industry-designed product that featured with appearance, economical but practical, and sustainable for futures. The old individual operation module is abundant, and the large operation platform is adopted instead. The new module is enabled with data access between all sub-modules, connection and communication of all data and function. With spare space for future development, it is now a good carrier of the smart city construction. As the access terminal of the smart city, Real Face Intelligent Street Light Pole running platform, it adopts with wireless communication technology of Internet of Things, connects the intelligent light, Wi-Fi, vehicle charging pillar, video surveillance, and emergency button alert different function modules. Carries out the unified management and monitoring of all data. By centralizing the remote of all street lights, it is now with profound combination between lighting and Internet of Things. It is a complete reverse of the old single function. Real Face Lighting, based on the smart city idea, and utilize the communication technology to enable the city municipal public facilities running and managing to be under the big system. In further, by deepening intelligentist, fooling connection and communication exchanging sharing, and coordinating application to ensure the best advantages of the resources can be taken. A high efficient, safe quick response, coordinating and harmony, sustainable developing smart city construction will be carried out in full aspects under leading of Real Face. Real Face Lighting. Enjoy light, enjoy life.